guys, you all read the title. You all just did. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I am actually going to lower my FPS on each kill. Yup. We might just get to 30 FPS. So as you can see now, I'm on 144. Let me just change it to 180 really quick. This is the maximum FPS I can get, or else the recording will be not smooth. Okay. By the way, this is my duo, Scarlet. He's also recording a video with me. So, yeah. Okay, where do you want to land, Scarlet?
Or come to dirty for the mothership. Can you cut your recording
Wait, where is the...
so I can do my intro and start my video? I'm gonna do the
Okay, so as you
next.
can see, I've landed. Okay. Just for the content, okay? Just for the content. I'll try to get as many kills as I can get. And try to sabotage myself so that I get less FPS.
We are gonna get adopted right now.
What mothership.
Guys, let's get adopted.
Yeah, bro. Let's get adopted. Mothership. You are my mother. Please help me get good loot. And help me not to lower my FPS. And get out of this misery of lowering my FPS. Okay, guys.
Let's get to mothership and get a golden loot so we can get the most kills out of this.
33,
I have a
34,
purple ray gun. Come on, adopt
guys, and
us.
if he gets a kill, then I also have to lower my FPS.
Oh. It's okay. Let's try to get the golden loot.
Okay, guys. So we'll try to take the golden loot and then we'll go for kills. Okay?
Damn.
When I get good loot.
Got green.
Yep. This is what happens when boys are not able to collect loot. Yes, guys, you heard that right. We are only getting.
Epic don't like.
We are only getting green loot. Oh no, not my ass, not my ass. We hardly
Okay.
got any good loot, guys.
We didn't have time to pick up the guns and
Okay, guys.
let's just play. It's at least better than our grey loots.
Let's see if anybody.
I'm going here. There will be henchman chest over here. And we will get juicy loots from that. Same.
Oh yeah, found one. Okay, guys, I'm going and rushing. Okay, there are two guys. Which means I have to learn my.
Oh yeah,
twice.
these kids. I'm coming at you.
Mods. Hi, mods. Oh, come here, man.
Hey, can hear you. One guy is throwing a recon at you. I'm coming at you.
Oh my god. Sweats. Hello. Oh, GG.
By the way, if you die and get
By the way, guys, I got 2 kills. So that it's a substantial difference. First kill, I'll switch to 144.
now you have to switch to 120.
God, guys, we are on 120 FPS. This already doesn't feel that smooth.
Take this.
Now I guess we'll get a third kill. And we have to reduce so much of our FPS. Guys, we are doing so much, guys. Come on.
I'm
Just
also in
like, video, and
120
sub.
FPS.
Just like and sub, guys. Come on.
Yeah. It's not easy as one game.
Yeah, bro. Now we are going to
Tried
get
a lot of games.
Now we'll probably get to 30 FPS. Yo, Galaxy skin, Galaxy skin.
One knock.
Nice.
One knock. One more kid.
Come on,
Oh
Scarlet.
no.
Okay.
Dead.
Nice.
You have to go to 30 FPS.
No, I don't have to go to 30. Now.
Oh, 60. Yeah, 120. We got 2 kills. That means 60 and 30.
Man.
30 FPS.
guys. Oh my god.
I'm
this
also.
feels so
Wait.
bad.
Let me change it to 30. I'm 30 right now. Oh my god. Disgusting
Guys,
to
whoever
play.
plays on 30 FPS, bro, major respect
Hats
for
off.
them, man. Yeah, bro, I can't even play on this thing, bro. No shit, no cap, but I hate this. How do you 30 FPS, please teach
Yeah.
me. I want
And
some
with the lower
education, guys.
settings possible. And with the lower settings
Yeah,
possible.
we are running on performance mode, BTW. We are
We are
running
playing
on
on 180p and we still it's so hard and you guys play on lower
not
settings.
180p, guys.
Nintendo
1080p.
also respect, but Nintendo is little more smoother but still respect.
Oh my god, two more guys. Ah, guys, now we lower it.
This guy
Now
has
we'll
a
have it.
spaz kits.
Oh! Come on. Come on. Edit. Nice! I get one guy.
Finish him.
Wait. Can I
Sorry.
take this pass, please?
I took it. Gotta be faster with stealing loot.
Okay, wait, guys. Let me get this.
No! 30
Okay, my
FPS.
Okay.
No, don't tap it.
Okay. Oh my
Yeah,
god,
yeah.
guys, this feels so smooth.
Now you're on 60, right? Because we received. This guy also has a spaz. Reboot me.
Oh my
Holy!
god!
Two
Guys,
golden spaz. Two golden spaz.
guys, now see, I'll go from 144, 120, 60, 30 again. Okay? Let's do this, come on. Okay, wait, let me just...
Is there one more spaz over here?
Yeah, there will be probably, because...
Yeah, look at the stats. Look at the. Yeah, there is. Go reboot me first.
Wait.
So I can get the juicy spaz and.
I
Let me
think
change it to
there's a-
144 again.
Okay,
Okay, now I changed.
guys, come on.
Please like
literally,
and
I'm not even
subscribe.
capping. This feels so smooth.
After like 30 FPS kids, when they come to 144, they will be like,
Oh wow, there's
oh
a guy.
my. Yeah, I saw
God,
this
I
guy
have to switch
previously.
to
This guy
120.
ran away. This guy ran away. You're 144 right now. That means you have to go 60. Leave him. Wait.
No.
Ah, no, he would be waiting. He would be waiting. Told you, right?
Let's go, guys.
His teammate came. Camera Reagan guy. He thinks he's cool, but he can't hit a single shot. He is a fool. You guys are so cool, but don't be a fool.
Okay, guys, wait. Let me just heal up. Switch my FPS really quick. So, guys, basically, I got one kill. So, I'll switch it back.
Put the recon scanner on the bathroom. I mean the whatever. Be ready to another duo, dude. Why in the world you're getting a lot of like grenade? Wow,
Oh my god,
what's
guys.
done to open?
Probably
Boys.
One 124. Guys!
Okay, guys.
That would be it for the video. If you like the video, then like, subscribe, share your comments in the comment section down below. And
Sorry that we lost the game.
bro.
You're
To be
not
honest,
good
guys,
as.
Guys, to be honest, I'm a bot. Yeah, trust me, I'm a bot.
Yeah.
You guys are
That's
pros.
okay.
I know you guys are pros, but please.
We are
Give me
not
some
like
mercy. We are bots. Okay, guys. So if
we
you
are
have
not
enjoyed
like
the
that
video,
YouTubers who take a long time to win the game and put it. We are just being honest.
yeah, we are just being honest, guys. We are showing you the true recording, and I'll put
Yeah.
as less editing as possible in this video, so that you guys.
Yeah,
get
only
to-
little bloopers, little talks. That's all we
that's
gonna
all.
cut.
Okay, guys.
And
so if you
all
have
things
enjoyed,
gonna.
then like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.